Hello everyone, I'm Hank, the Product Manager of iSensing Devices Division, in charge of ADAM product series. By 2023, there are expected to be over 20 billion connected IoT devices globally, and the number will keep increasing. However, we still face a lot of challenges in the digital transformation process. Our customers are struggling to integrate devices from OT to IT. Advantech provides a better way to simplify the system structure and help our customers collect data and upload data to the cloud. In this course, I will introduce you to Advantech's ADAM-6700 series, all-in-one gateway solution that integrates I/O functions, gateway functions, and no-rate software. You will learn how our all-in-one gateway solution brings benefits to save costs and simplify IoT device infrastructure. We welcome you to this course and look forward to seeing you at IoT Academy. Thank you.